bed. I had some Halloween fabric, so it was time for one more Halloween project. So I wanted to fancy the bed up a little bit. Took some polymer clay, put it in a mold, used some cornstarch, took them out, baked them, and then I was ready to glue them onto the bed. So here's the bed that I had. It's a really cool bed. I probably have had it for a year or so, didn't know what to do with it. And it just seemed that it looked kind of like a Halloween spooky bed. But I could not leave it alone. So I went ahead and I glued the polymer clay with some Elmer's glue. And you can see it's going to give it some dimension. And then I did a quick prime in white. And then I painted it black, and it is a gloss black, which I really liked. And on the left, you can see the polymer clay, but you can see it a little more better after I took some silver paint and dry brushed it over it. I didn't want it to stick out, really stick out. And then this is some of the fabric that I had. I went through all my fabric, picked out what I thought would go good together because I really like to mix all the fabrics. And I went ahead and used the ghost, really cute ghost fabric. And I used the mattress that came from the bed that I had pulled off. And I hot glued it on. And then I also went ahead and hot glued the striped fabric as a little plain simple dust ruffle. Didn't want it too fancy. And there you can see how the silver just kind of gave it a little bit more of a spooky effect. I liked the way it came out, just the black and white. Yeah, it's cute. And then I needed pillows. And I really enjoy making pillows. So I just cut them out. And then I turned them over. Went ahead and used some liquid stitch. And let it dry. And then I ironed them. Filled them with cotton. Closed them up. And then I went ahead and I put a thin black cording around the edges. Just to give it a more finished look. And I really do like the little plaid one. Wasn't sure how I was going to feel about that, but it was different. I liked it. And here's the pillows on the bed. And I think those are really good. It's just the orange and the black for Halloween. It came out real simple, real cute, colorful. I went ahead and I borrowed the spider rug that I had made for my last Halloween project of the dining set. And I borrowed the cat, a pumpkin, and the hat. And here it is all put together. Halloween has such good colors. It's really a fun season. It's in your face Halloween. I really enjoy Halloween.